Rich, be a champion in life. Hey man, life gets pretty stressful sometimes. Finances and family and business relationships. It gets tough. It gets tough at times, and you just got to remember that, you know, this too will pass. You just stay the grind, man. Always remember where you came from. Remember the important people that played a role in your life, and just remember family's number one. Relationships are important, communication is important, and no matter how stressful it gets, it will pass, man. And if you do the right thing, make the right choices, things get better. I remember, you know, in the very beginning, and 12 step and Recovery League softball played a massive part in helping me get redirected in the right direction, stay sober, stay engaged, build healthy relationships, and then and life, evolves. Things change, especially if you're trying to accomplish your goals and move forward and grow. Um, and then, wrestling came in. Clackamas Community College, huge, huge part of helping me find success. Being part of the team, engaging in wrestling, finding my purpose, overcoming a bunch of challenges, filling this void I had in my life for so long. That 2 3 year stint at Clackamas Community College, and those guys have taken off and done some massive things, but they played a huge part in helping me feel a part of and get me off in the right direction, and get back grounded in wrestling. My wife plays a massive part in helping me. Great partnership, good communication. It's just important, man. I want to thank everybody that supports me today. Everybody that's jumped on board, believed in the mission, and has been a part of it. All the schools that have contracted me because they believe in my message and the success of the kids and the information and educational piece we bring to the schools. All of them, they played a huge part. Journeyman Wrestling, my favorite club on the planet. Frank Papalizio, Journeyman Wrestling. I mean, they have been a huge supporter in what I do. Love what they're doing out there, and I feel a real part of their community. A lot of the athletes, Trails to Prevention out on the East Coast, they've played a part in helping, be a part of my mission and my message and awareness. And Bob Dean, he's doing some good things out there. Sweethearts and Heroes, Jason Spector, Tom Murphy out there, addressing hopelessness and bullying. It's just all the people. Adidas Wrestling, I mean, jumped on board and set me up in gear all year long, and wrestling gear and speaking gear, and huge supporters. U.S. Wrestling Foundation, Jack Clark. You got to remember where you came from. I know I came from a homeless shelter, man. I'll never forget that. And you got to remember who helped get you where you're at, helped you accomplish your goals, helped you keep you engaged, made it important, took you in open arms. It's just really important, man. And I think that perspective, when things get really tough, they could be a lot worse, man. They could be a lot worse. We're fighting a lot of demons out there, and pressures and influences, and there's just a lot of financial pressure. It's tough to make it. I'm juggling 3 jobs, and trying to make them all work. I'm kind of a hybrid. I work really hard and stay focused, and keep my primary goals in mind and my primary mission. And I don't know, man. It's just a big thanks out today. You know, um, just thinking about everybody that helped get me here, and I just want to give a big shout out to everybody that played such a huge part in it. It takes a team. It takes a lot of unity and a lot of work together to create change, to help athletes and people find their success, and it's just important that we embrace each other's. There's too much separation out there in the world. Thank you to everybody out there that helped me along the way. Appreciate it, and have a great day.